man, that's burnt ashes. You know? Help to protect the plants from insects and all that stuff. The most natural thing to use, you know? The herbs them look good out in our nature here. But they still need to be cared for. You know, likewise, nature take care of us. But we still need to do some self-care. You know? Yeah, care for the plants, make them look good. Yeah man, self-care with yourself. With the herbs. If you look good too, you know? Subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, for more content like this, you know? Natural pest control. If you look up close to the plant, those are called duckans. You know? So this is the most natural thing that you can use on your plants. You know, to get rid of the ants, you know, before they eat out the tree.